Hey people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chrishelle Chevon, and it has been a while, like 2 months since I've seen you all. But it's a lot of things going on. We got this Black Lives Matter movement going. We got the coronavirus still going. It's July. Like, what? Wow. Wear y'all masks. Don't go nowhere. 4 of my friends, 4 of my close friends had the coronavirus. 2 of them went to a hookah bar in Virginia. And one of them works for Metro, and one of them works at a bar. But they don't even know where they got the coronavirus from. They don't know if they got it from going to a party together smoking hookah, or if they got it from work. So guess what we're gonna do, people? Stop smoking hookah unless it's your own hookah and you're smoking it by yourself, because that's germs. Even though you got your own tip, y'all breathing in the same hose, same machine. It's just, it's too much. Okay? Stop and wear your mask. I went to Ocean City and everybody was looking at me and my family like we was crazy because we had on masks on the beach. I didn't go to anything on the boardwalk. I just stayed away from the boardwalk in total. Like, I didn't walk it. I didn't go any restaurants. We had this little tent thing on the beach that was like our world. We went to the water. If somebody came close to us by the water, we ran the other way. Like, and everybody was just out there with no mask on. I went downtown to DC after they announced a mandatory mask on Friday. I went out Friday, nobody had a mask on. What are y'all doing? We don't know. Everybody's doing what they want to do, having pool parties, all kinds of crap. And guess what? The coronavirus is coming to get our asses. So, anywho, I'm back. And it's a lot of things going on within my life too. I am starting my own cosmetic brand, C Minor Beauty. So I need y'all to go follow that page on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Chrishelle Chevon. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, which you should have. But stop what you're doing right now and subscribe. And then when you're done with this video, hit the like button, okay? 2 simple steps. Subscribe and like. Do it. Thank you. But anywho, we are here today to talk about my fabulous, what y'all want to call these, new locks, soft locks, whatever you want to call them. They are freaking long and they come 18 inches. It's just this little one that comes, but I connected 2 of them like so. Boom, bam. So I'm gonna show y'all first how I connected them, and then I'm going to show you how I put them in my head. Now, I suggest that you connect these before. You can do it after. I'm gonna put it in my head first, then I'm gonna show you how I connect it, because that might be easier because you sliding in less hair when you do it after the fact. Okay, so I got this hair off of Amazon. It was 6 packs for $32. I ended up needing 8 packs because I made my part so small, because I have a little head, but I needed 8 packs because it's 21 pieces in each bundle. So yeah, this is the hair right here. Can y'all see that? Yeah. So it says 6-pack faux lock crochet hair, goddess locks, dreadlocks, extensions, 18-inch, 21 strands, new lock crochet braids, curly faux locks, braiding hair. The color is 1B black, and it's $32 on Amazon, and I got it primed, so it came super fast. But let's get into, ooh, that's dry. Child, I'm always on here ashy. Okay. And we're back. So first I'm going to take one of them, and they all come with this little loop. See the loop right here? So what you want to do is get your crochet hook. Like, literally all you need for this is this crochet hook and the hair. because you want to start with plaits. I just braided my hair, all these little individual braids. You want to start by braiding your hair. I think y'all need to see that. Y'all want to do that too? But we not. So I'm gonna take my hook. Let me zoom in. Y'all might see some flakes. I done had these for like a month. Focus on what we came here for, not my flakes, okay? So what you want to do is take your crochet hook, stick it through your braid, latch down, and then you hook the crochet hair onto the latch, onto the hook, and then you close the latch and pull it through and let it slide down to the bottom of your crochet hook. Now, you see I just pulled it to be the same length as my actual braid, because now I'm going to take the hook again and latch it onto my braid and the rest of the crochet hair, and I'm gonna close the latch and I'm gonna slide it through that loop in the crochet braid. So what I pretty much did was tie a knot around my braid so that these don't slide out. So the only way now that I can get this out of my head is if I pull my braid from my body head, unbraid it, and then this will slide off. But right now it's all tied in a knot around my hair. All right. So now I'm just going to take this and unravel it, because now I'm going to wrap this hair around my actual braid. But you want to wrap the same way that the hair is being twirled. So I just unwrap, stick my nail in there, unwrap it, and then take it around. Open it up, take it around. And you want to do that all the way down your braid. And the good thing about this is it does not have to be neat. Like, that's why I love this hairstyle, because it could be messy. And the more messier it is, the more natural it kind of looks. Because a lot of people thought that these were my locks. And I was like, no. They my locks for the month, though. Rolling around. So you'll have some little bumps and lumps, but like I said, it does not matter, because this is not supposed to be a perfect hairstyle. And you keep going. Open, wrap, open, wrap, open, wrap. That's all you're doing. Now when I get to the end and it's like something little like this sticking out, I just kind of like open the hair up and just tuck this little piece in here somehow. Just get it caught up in the mix real quick. And boom. We in there. Is it perfect? No. Do I want it to be perfect? No. Okay? So that's just the regular way if you want to keep them to 18 inches. But that's real little and I wasn't feeling it. So what you want to do now is unravel the bottom of your initial piece. Unravel it. Like so. I just did 2 pieces. And then you take a new lock and your little opening loop, and what you want to do is take your 2 pieces like so and tie a knot. Okay, tying a knot around the loop, and then you start to wrap. So you take one of your pieces first and wrap down until you get a little piece, and then you take your second piece and you wrap. Let me zoom out. It's getting long. Okay. And I'm just gonna wrap that down. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Keep going. Keep going. So see, this is what we have. So you can't even really tell where the knot is or was. You just start going again. So I'm gonna leave this little piece here, and I'm gonna just put it down with the new lock, and I'm gonna take my second strand that was left out, and I'm gonna wrap around that. And that is how you connect them to make them longer. And so when I get to the bottom of this, like I did up here with my real hair, I just tug it in. I open up the lock like so. Open it up. And I take my little piece and I just tug it in there. Tug it in, and then boom. And that's the end of it. Can you tell where it ends? No, you can't. So that is one lock. Two locks made into one. Crocheted on, tie a knot around it, start the rolling, and there you have it. Boom, bam. So this one is already connected. I connected the two already. So I'm gonna show you how it goes when you have it connected already. So again, you take your hook, open, latch hook open through the center of your braid, hook on the lock, close the latch, and slide it through. And then you want to, see, this is the thing. When you connect them, sometimes that little connecting piece get a little bit fat and it'd be hard to get it through your braid, but you gotta work it through there. And then you wanna take your latch hook again over your braid and the rest of the lock. Slide it through that loop of the lock. Make sure your braid and the lock comes through that loop. And then you just pull. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Until you have your knot. Hold on. There we go. So it's the same. It just be a little bit of tussle when it's extra longer because you got more hair to slide through that loop. But it's still the same process. I feel like if you connect them before, it goes faster, but that's just my opinion. But again, I'm just opening it up and wrapping. Open and wrap. And you want to make sure you're wrapping the same way the lock hair is going. So if your lock is like mine, see, it's going this way. Let's see, if I do this, it opens up. So you want to make sure you go in the same direction as your lock. Because if you don't, you're going to be set up. last piece. Whirl it around. And there you have it. New Locs. Yes, honey. Bada boom, bada bam. And they in there. Alright, people. So that concludes today's video. Real quick, easy breezy. New Locs, 6 packs, $32 on Amazon. I got 2 extra packs. They were like $16 because it was probably like $8 or $9 per pack when you buy them single. So I would say 6 packs is enough. Just do your parts bigger, because I definitely could have did my parts bigger and connected some of these, but it's cool where it is. Easy breezy. You want to braid your hair in individual braids, have you a crochet hook and your hair. And I would definitely suggest 6 packs if you plan on connecting and making them long. Mine is down to my butt. And y'all know I'm pretty tall. But yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, which you should have did when I told y'all at the beginning of this video. Follow me on Instagram for new updates and classes, because yes, I do makeup classes. And again, my makeup line is to launch soon. I'm hoping September. This is going to be vegan, handmade, bomb cosmetics. C Minor Beauty. Go check us out. Follow me on Instagram. All my handles are below. Chrishelle Chevon. CHRISHELLE Chrishelle Chevon. Follow me. Hit me up. And yeah, thumbs up this video. I hope you all like it. Comment down below. Let me know if this technique was easy for you, if you're going to try it, and what else you want me to try. I'm back, okay? I'm sorry I left y'all, but I'm back. 2 months, okay? Y'all know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, boom, bow. See y'all later. Toodaloo.